We're talking about the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Most of its steamy details were divulged over a 12-week rollout leading up to the New York Auto Show this past April. But to recap, Demons come off the assembly line sporting a wide body kit, a drag strip-tuned adaptive suspension, and an engine that makes 808 horsepower. This supercharged 6.2-liter V8 is an evolution of the Hellcat's 707-pony Hemi but with beefed-up internals and a larger, 2.7-liter rotary-screw blower, up from 2.4 liters, from supplier tuned to make 14.5 pounds of boost. The car comes on 4 drag radials, but the 8-speed ZF8 horsepower automatic turns only the rear wheels. Speaking of transmissions, this one features the first transmission brake on the production car, more on that in a bit, as well as a few other drag racing tricks. It isn't that we don't believe SRT's claim that a Demon ran a 9.65-second quarter mile. It's just that we believe those circumstances were outside the typical conditions a weekend warrior might find. You know, like a perfectly prepared launch box at sea level and a warm track but cool and dry ambient air, as well as a little bit of luck. We test in street conditions, so when we do get around to formally testing a Demon, it will not be quite as quick as that. We expect the car to run a quarter mile in the low 10-second range. Knock off a few tenths if it's fitted with the skinny front wheels and tires and is running on 100-octane fuel. A 0 to 60 mph time will be darn close to pipping the Porsche 918 Spyder's 2.2-second record. Before they cut us loose on this trip, SRT engineers walked us through the arduous process of getting the Demon ready for a pass. A graph in the central touchscreen can tell you when the engine is cool enough for an optimal pass. The after-run chiller circulates coolant after shutdown so it can continue cooling when parked. With thermal criteria satisfied, get the car into drag mode by double-tapping the SRT mode button, then pressing the high output button to get the full 840 horses if you're running high-test fuel. Drag mode disables the cabin AC, routing its cooling power to the SRT power chiller, a device that can drop the intake temperature by as much as 18 degrees by cooling the liquid in the liquid-to-air intercooler circuit. For the past 6 months, we've been eagerly awaiting the chance to drive this car. We are going to have to wait a little while longer to get the full experience. We can say this for sure, though, even if you trailer this car to a drag strip, it won't disappoint.